Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad K. Sangma Uloong, baka Presiden Jongkari India, ka Draupadi Murmu, kalak banwan seselong hakini si banwan. Bat ka Sarkar kalapan kre ya ka thup jong ki bubuan ki project ki bakan Plie. Bat ka Crowborough Hotel kan dei ka wei na ki badan ha ka thup ban Plie ka Presiden. Uloong ba shen no hi an Plie ya ka Crowborough shwa ban kut ka dorbar. Ulai thu ba gindan buan ba ki khun samla jong Kejala ki ban yok kam yok jam hakini hotel. Laban penken mau baka Sarkar kalabu sngi ban Plie menta ka sngi ka nyu tarek unai lur ya ka Crowborough Hotel henrai la penken ria no na ki daw bom la kiar.
We had two issues in this. First issue was that we had input and a communication that the Honorable President of India may come to Shillong, and we had been asked to give a list of probable projects that could be inaugurated by her. And in that list we had put the Crowborough Taj also, because we felt that it would be very appropriate if she inaugurated that. And once we did that, of course, we had to move the dates from 7th, and we waited for communication. And so we have not received communication, but we have got an unofficial input that private properties and Taj is something that they would like to avoid, and they would like to go for government projects. So hence, we have decided that we'll continue with our inauguration, but the dates have been shifted by about a week's time. I'm not sure exactly if it's 14th or 15th or 16th, but definitely before the session ends, we will be inaugurating the Taj. And of course, there were some papers where it said something that has been shifted again, and there's some, these kind of small works here and there could happen. They might want to change a bulb, they might want to change something here and there, which I really don't know. But the 7 dates were finalized, and once we had information that President's coming, we waited for the communication from the Presidential Secretariat. And once we got the communication, we decided that we're going to go ahead. So I expect that before the session ends, either on 14th or 15th or 16th, I can't remember the dates right now, but it will be done before the end of this assembly session. Properties, and therefore, these will be, of course, the process will be followed by the concerned organizations or companies that are going to run it. But I'm sure that there'll be large number of vacancies that will be there, and we have a large number of qualified people who are local who will be getting jobs out there. I don't have the list of who's going to work and who's going to get a job there or not. As I said, it's a private entity, and they will follow their own process. But I'm sure that through this, directly as well as indirectly, a large number of people will get employment. And we're hopeful that very soon after that, we will be also then inaugurating the Courtyard Marriott. That is also in the pipeline, and we expect that also within maybe 30 days to 60 days time. We should expect that around the time when the different festivals are going on, we should be able to start the Courtyard Marriott also. So these are two great properties coming up, and in the coming months we'll be also working on expanding in other areas. Of course, those will take time, will not be immediately, but more properties are being planned. And obviously we are looking at homestays in an aggressive manner, and we're looking at a lot of prefab structures coming out in different privately owned properties supported by the government but run by the people themselves. So these are the different things that are being done for building up the number of accommodations.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.